Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Perspective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, and welcome to Perspective Plans. In today's video, we're going to be planning our March, doing our March plan with me in our Every Minute Counts dated hourly dashboard planner, neutral edition, of course. I'm planning this after I did the April because we're like mid-March. No equals next opportunity. Yeah, so it's like the 23rd right now because life has been crazy. So we're basically gonna do a back planning video. I think this is my first time ever doing a back plan, but yeah, life's been wild, but you know, I'm still here, still holding on. So for dates to remember, we have Latap sales tax due. And I need to do my doggone taxes. Life has been crazy. So I'm gonna try to do my taxes next weekend because I need to get that done. Yeah, projects. Girl, life has been happening around me. And I'm just trying to catch up. Okay, so let's see. I know I have a bunch of projects. Not projects. Why can't I talk? I know why I can't talk. I just had my dental surgery. So yeah. Let's get her done. Let's write some stuff in. Alright, so as for projects, writing scripts. Let me see if I can find something in here we can use. Night and day. You night and day. And then my library books were due. That's coming up. Let's put a book down. And they're due this week. So we got so much to do, so little time. I want to decorate this page like I did for April. Just to use some stickers and get rid of them, because why the heck not? So, let's see what we could find, man. Let's see what's over here. Chores, pay bills, piggy banks. Alright, so let's use this just to finish up this sticker sheet. Get this posted out. Fun times today. Focus on you because you should. Happy plans. Fun times. And then another today. Where is this one going? Yeah, let's do that. Without you night and day. Let's see what we can find. And I do know my library is going to be doing like a summer movie, whatever. So I'm going to go. And I think the proceeds go to charity, which is cute. So if they have some good movies, I'll be going. And I think there's like a rooftop movie thing in town or whatever. So they're doing movies there too. And I think I'm going to do that as well because why the heck not? So we're just going to add some stickers, work hard, play hard, get it done. Because we got a whole lot of crap we have to get done, which is why this video is coming late. And we're back planning. So yeah, wake up and be awesome. And yeah, try your best if you can. Fake it till you make it. Adulting is hard. It really is. Life has been kicking my behind, but I'm trying to keep the faith, you guys. Walk the walk, girl. Oh my lord, there's a lot of empty boxes. That's good, because we do need to use our stickers. Didn't I guess happy plans. Everybody knows almost doesn't count. And I definitely need a coffee date. Whether that be with myself or someone else, I would like to welcome it. You can't go to heaven, but everybody knows almost doesn't count. Girl, I'm just singing. But outside the door, work, girl, flights. And let me use this road trip sticker. Shout out to Brandy. Everybody knows. Almost doesn't count. Almost doesn't count. Let's use these hearts for our two tickers. If we can get them off the page, come on, sticker. All right, they're not cooperating. Gotta use something else. How unfortunate. Ooh, a bunch of snacks. Is there like a World Food Day? Because I could use these stickers for that. And then we have a mani-pedi next weekend, which is exciting because my feet look horrible. But as you can see, the mani is manied. The mani is manied. I don't know why I didn't do the pedicure mani-pedi together, but you know, my brain left me, so it'll catch back up eventually. And then we gotta do some grocery shopping. And we'll do that next Friday. Oh crap, let's do our payday stickers. I'm just tossing stuff on the pages. Cruel world, almost hurts me. I'll look around. Everybody knows almost doesn't count. We do have a work project. So I have that there because it's like phase 1. And I guess I can add this for priority. Boss lady. Like Zadi, the lady from, what's that show? Young, Rich, and African. Very cute. I hope they get picked up for another season. I enjoy watching it because, I don't know, it's just good fun. Okay, so there are dreamers and there are planners. The planners make their dreams come true. Edwin Lewis Cole. Let's see if I can find a sticker that can go there. Girls Weekend. Such an amazing day. I guess we can use this one. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. I have hiccups? Dear Lord. this is not really gonna fit, but we're gonna try. Today is gonna be awesome. All right, so we have some things to write in. Shopping list, shopping, doctor appointment. And that was dental surgery. We were late, but that's okay. They still yanked my teeth out. My recovery's been pretty good, which I'm grateful for. But I was scared at first, man. Absolutely scared. As most people are. But Lord, the recovery is happening, so I'm grateful. Let me get some more half boxes, or like boxes for covering things up to write really big. So let's see. Oh, maybe some of these. Because we did do our king cake class, which was super duper fun. And I think my brother's starting to enjoy the activities that I pick out. Because at first he was like, I don't know if I want to go. But he had a darn good time. And I'm so happy that he did. And I think we're going to go again next year. Because I want us to start making our own traditions. Because I think it's a beautiful thing. So, yeah. Oops. To do. Renew library books. And then we have our French cooking class. I do think I want to eventually do like a French pastry class. But we'll wait for that to arrive. Wait, crap, what day is it on? Yeah. Friday. Oh, my nose. Alright, French cooking class. I can't remember if this is the last one. Why did I spell cooking like that? It looks like my letters are all far apart. But I think this is one of the last, or getting close to it. Because it's like a session of classes. But yeah, I'm really enjoying it. Alright, so let's get some of these stickers out the way. Not stickers, Post-its. And writing workshop. Those are like checklists, so I don't need that. Deadline. What else can we use? Time with friends, just the girls. Errands. I guess we can use this Let's Go. For the writer workshop, which I love. And I think it's about to rain, so sorry if the lighting gets weird. I live in Louisiana, so it's not my fault. I'm just doing my best. But yeah, writing workshop at 6, which I'm really loving. I'm learning some tips and tricks with writing, and it's been fun. At first I thought it would be like crazy judgmental, but I'm really enjoying it and taking it in stride. So yeah. Can't really use those, but let's use this one. If I can get this out. And then we'll just add some decorative stickers. Writing workshop. It's 6 p.m. I think our doorbell just rang, so I gotta go see who the heck that is. So let me add some more decor. See anything over there? Maybe over here. Oh wait, this is school. And I want to use these for Mermaid May. Functional. Let's see. Decor. Work hard and be nice to people. Oh, I love that. Do more of what makes you happy. Come on, sticker, behave. Smile, smile, and take it one day at a time. Oh, I love that. That's cute. And this one here says celebrate every tiny victory. And I've really been enjoying that for myself. Just taking a moment to step back and realize and see and appreciate what you've been able to accomplish is pretty freaking awesome. Color your world with kindness. Love it. It's not fitting the best, but I'll take it. Good vibes. Oh yeah. Don't you know that? All right. Very pretty. Daylight time. Oh yeah, daylight savings times has started and I love it. So we're just gonna add this just start sticker. Why the heck not? Oh, look, we need something here. Hip hip hooray. My mood has improved drastically. So I think seasonal depression is real for me. But yeah, I adore the sunshine and I'm very grateful for it. But yes, this is my first bag planning video and I think it came out very well. Thank you so much for planning with me and remember to keep planning for what's to come and I'll see you in the very, very next one. Bye everyone, have a blessed one. Bye. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.